Let's find out what all this goodness is about on my newest video. Welcome back to our channel, and today we've got an easy recipe that we're going to be cooking up. We're making walking tacos. Have you never had walking tacos? You should. If you like tacos, it's easy to make. You got to get you a bag of Doritos. We got a party size. It was a good deal at Kroger, so we got those. You get the toppings that you like for your normal tacos, and you're going to apply it to this. So we got the hamburger meat, got sour cream, refried beans. I don't have a regular tomato, so we're going to do with the diced tomatoes. Going to drain it real good. We got some medium diced green chilies. We're going to dice up an onion. Got some mild cheddar. We love mild cheddar. It's better to us than the taco blend, but if that's your thing, then go for it. Then we're going to put several little spoons of taco seasoning when it's time, when the beef gets ground up or browned up. And then we're going to put some taco sauce on there. So let's get in the kitchen and get busy. Alright, we're set up in the kitchen. I've already diced up the onion and drained the tomatoes and the green chilies, as well as got the refried beans out into a bowl. Now I'm breaking up the ground beef as it browns. And we'll be back with you as soon as it finishes browning to add the seasonings and continue. I started adding my salt and pepper, and I started adding my taco seasoning, which I put in a little bit of water. You know, you add water after you drain the fat off, which there was not that much fat at all. We get this from a butcher. I'm going to turn this fire back up. And this will cook and evaporate. As it heats up. We're going to give this like 15 minutes to do its stuff. And we'll come back and add the refried beans. And this is where I'll go ahead and add my tomatoes, since it's canned tomatoes in also. We'll be back. I'm sorry, I had a delivery guy come up while I was trying to get this filmed, as I was having to add the refried beans. But now I'm adding the tomatoes. You see how the water got soaked up as it cooked. I'm going to add the tomatoes real quick. We've got the onions and the chilies ready to go. We got to pull out the sour cream and the shredded cheese, put them in bowls, but we're waiting until the last minute because it was extremely hot here in Florida. And then the Doritos we'll pull out and put in the bowls. They're called walk-in tacos because usually you get the smaller bags, the snack-sized bags. You open them and then you put the toppings on top of that inside the bag. You could actually use little snack bags, Ziploc bags. Do it that way, but we're just going to use bowls tonight and do it this way. So I'm going to grab 2 bowls, and then I'm going to start packing that with the toppings. And then you'll just cover it with the Doritos with like a layer of your meat, and then if you've got like refried beans, if you don't want to mix your food, that's up to you. But you do a layer over the Doritos like this. Some down in there, some right there, and you come over And then you start putting more toppings on. Just like so. Make your walking tacos like you would make your own tacos. Just make it unique. You got Doritos, nacho cheese. You see we don't have lettuce, so we're not sweating it. We're not sweating the small stuff. Gotta hold the bag. Add the shredded cheese so it don't fall over into the bowl. Alright. Add a dollop, do ya? There we go. Just do not want to come off. The spoon. A little bit more. And then a little bit of taco sauce on top. Just in time. As we have puppy home. There you have it, walking tacos. Like, subscribe. We got more videos coming up. See you on the flip side. God bless.